Hello and welcome to another episode of Colorful Finance. In this video we will talk about top affiliate marketing programs you can join in May 2022 to start earning money as an affiliate. Please stay tuned as this video is divided into many parts. Without further ado, let's begin. Affiliate marketing is all about performance, but things can quickly change depending on your niche and goals. Finding the right platforms for yourself can be difficult. However, it is important to find something that works for you. We've selected the affiliate programs that we believe will produce the best returns for your business in 2022. Take a look at our list of great affiliate programs and see which ones are best suited to your requirements. 𝐦𝐤𝐤. They're a partner marketing company that creates performance-based partnerships which mean great results for brands. Check them out at 𝐦𝐤𝐤. You have to be very serious in order to be accepted and start profiting on this platform. If you meet all of their criteria, we definitely recommend checking it out. DFO Global. If you're looking for a high-quality affiliate network to work with, we recommend that you sign up with DFO Global. Not only do they have a huge range of e-commerce products to pick from, but they also make use of a closed, safe and brand-protected environment along with higher-paying offers. If you're an affiliate marketer and are looking for a program that's worth investing in, DFO Global is your best choice. With top-notch data analytics and responsive managers to cover any of your needs, you can focus on doing what you do best. Amazon Associates. For anyone looking to start an affiliate marketing business, Amazon is a great platform to use. The marketplace takes care of most of the sales process and warm-up leads for you. You just have to bring new clients from external traffic sources. If that's not your thing, you can use Amazon's built-in SEO optimization tool. It's possible to make money with product pitch only after having a certain level of experience. This is an opportunity for both newcomers and veterans of the field. 𝐦𝐤𝐤trade. 𝐦𝐤𝐤trade is a global affiliate e-commerce and lead generation platform where you can promote various offers. 𝐦𝐤𝐤trade has some awesome pre-landers that will look great in your email campaigns to offer potential customers some incentive to buy from you. So you can look forward to great results with this affiliate program. ClickBank. ClickBank provides up to 75% commission and has over 20 million active customers worldwide. ClickBank also offers a wide variety of products in over 20 different categories that give you a huge customer base to work with. Recurring income is a great thing that comes with selling recurring products, and you can also upsell to boost your profits. This can be a more reliable source of income than just one-time purchases. eBay Partner Network. Here's how you can leverage the huge potential of the eBay market: advertise them on social media, your blog or website, and get commission for every sale made through that link. Signing up to be a part of the eBay Partner Network will make it really easy to do this. There are a lot of interesting products to promote with this website, including trending and daily deals. Affiliax. Affiliax is one of the top choices for marketers that are looking to access a wide variety of verticals. This means more products and offers, so you can choose which ones will give you the best results. If approved for the Affiliax program, you have access to your very own affiliate manager with our new platform. They can help you optimize the traffic on your website and create a unique bonus program, which maximizes your earning potential. It's easy to use and lots of people like it. 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐬. There are a number of affiliate networks to choose from. 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐬 is one of the largest with over 2 decades of experience, so we've earned a lot of trust with our affiliates. Their user-friendly interface has made us popular with marketers and merchants. Shopify is an e-commerce platform that offers a free trial, helpful customer service for affiliates running multiple sites, and lots of merchant options in over 40 categories. Shopify has partnered with some big-name brands as well. 𝐥𝐤𝐤 Affiliates. 𝐥𝐤𝐤 Affiliates is a performance marketing affiliate network that offers more than 1,500 multilingual offers across the hottest and most lucrative niches. They provide everything from Uber promotional codes to hotels.com discounts and even Nike coupons. Offering help for a variety of fields such as home improvement, insurance, finance, dating, nutra, loans, real estate and more. With their wide array of niche websites and funnel tracking, optimization and support, there's no reason not to try them out. CJ Affiliate. This is a great program to invest in if you are an experienced marketer. 300 brands, including many of the world's top brands, are included, and there has been 43% growth this year in commissions. However, the amount of traffic needed may be too much for some marketers. With the new requirements for publishers and the advanced tools, it may take some getting used to. Additionally, there are great features for more advanced marketers. M4 Tricks Network. If you're looking for exclusive deals that you won't find in the mainstream corners of the internet, M4 Tricks Network is worth checking out. We've got your global needs covered, and we also offer a high-quality service to parts of the world that are less saturated by online outlets. Deliveroo has some innovative technology which really helps smart decision-making and performance optimization. Fiverr Affiliates Program. This program generous commission plan allows the client to earn up to $150 per CPA. Plus, there's no referral limit. And you get lifetime attribution. Fiverr's affiliate program is great because you have a user-friendly dashboard and can use the other creatives in the portfolio to promote what Fiverr offers. 1. NordVPN. NordVPN offers different commission plans based on your subscription. The two options are a 1-month plan, and then there are 6-month, 1-year, and 2-year plans. They also offer conversion rates that should help you out if you're trying to drive traffic to your website. For new sign-ups, the commission rate is 100% for the first month and 30% afterwards. For returning customers, it's 40% for 1 month and 30% thereafter. Cookie Life, 30 days. Pros. Trusted brands and effective promo materials are crucial for a successful influencer marketing campaign. Companies should get help with accounts management, global campaigns, and lifetime revenue share. Cons. Competition amongst other brands. 1. Shopify. Shopify is an app that lets you build an e-commerce website in minutes. With their service, you can become a Shopify merchant instantly. They also offer commission on fees per sale and helpful FAQs for affiliates. The commission rate is 2x on the first and second payment of each qualified referral. For example, with a basic Shopify plan, you can earn $58 or $29 per month x 2 equals $58. The exception is with our most expensive Shopify Plus plan, where you will earn a flat 5%. Within some countries, Shopify will give you a 300% commission. Cookie Life, 30 days. Pros. Pays high commission rates. To reach payout, you need only one sale. You will get your own professional affiliate marketing manager who will provide special links for tracking purposes that are easy to navigate and understand once you sign in. The portal is user-friendly and easy to use. Cons. Deep linking is available, but it could be better organized. A 30-day cookie length is fine, but a longer cookie length of 45 to 90 days would be better. Wix. Wix has 100 million users and provides affiliates with $100 for every sale. Plus, they offer great landing pages in a variety of languages. With a ton of websites hosted under their belt and over 160 million in the community, you'll never have any trouble finding inspiration. If you're looking for a place to start, they offer over 100 templates, great for all types of business owners and artists. Commission rate, $100 per sale. Cookie Life, 30 days. Pros. $100 per referral if it is premium. A wide variety of affiliate recourses to reach your target. Different models that fits everyone. Cons. In order to qualify for the monthly payout, your referral commission must be over $300. If you have just made a residual affiliate sale, you will not qualify as it is not a recurring income. 6. Weebly. Weebly is a very simple website builder with over 40 million users. Though not the most advanced, Weebly offers a drag-and-drop interface and helpful tutorials to allow you to easily build your own site. They provide a 30% recurring commission from the sites sold through their platform as long as they are still active. They come with a 120-day cookie duration commission rate, 30% recurring commission. Cookie Life, 120 days. Pros. The Hive dashboard is intuitive and easy to use, with a functionality that makes it possible for you to earn an extra $25 equivalent, higher in GBP and Euro. Integrating apps is also easy with this system. Cons. You can only have a link to one referral code per person, but you will earn $25 per successful sign-up. The layout of the app is very cluttered and overwhelming. Webflow. Webflow's affiliate program is designed to reward influencers, educators, bloggers, and more for referring designers and developers to Webflow. Once you sign up for PartnerStack, you will be able to see all the important stats about your account on the dashboard. This includes your traffic source, conversions, and how much you have earned from them. Commission rate: 50% of all payments for 12 months. Cookie life: 90 days. Pros. With the in-house navigation dashboard, you can promote through various channels. Comprehensive affiliate marketing product guidelines will help you move your e-commerce store forward. With FlexBot to provide support, you're sure to be successful. Cons. Sign up for a PayPal and Stripe account to receive payments for your affiliate program. Technical support for this is not available. SE ranking. SE ranking is a powerful and secure SEO tool, which offers similar services as SEMrush and SERPstat. The platform enables users to stay up to date with keyword rankings, traffic indicators, and more. Join the SE Ranking Affiliate Program and earn unlimited recurring income. It's free to start, with 14-day free trial. Commission: 30% lifetime commission. Cookie life: 120 days. Pros. Track the statistics of your sales and transactions. There are 3 ways to pay: PayPal, WebMoney, and SE ranking balance. Twice a month you will be paid. Cons. Ads are not currently available to advertise via paid advertisements. The minimum payment threshold is $50. Elementor. Elementor is a popular WordPress page builder with a wide range of helpful features. It provides an easy-to-use drag-and-drop method within the WordPress environment, which allows you to get a sense for what your content will look like before you hit publish. Elementor provides a free version of their page builder, but paid versions include more advanced widgets such as the theme builder, the pop-up builder, and the WooCommerce builder. Commission rate: 50% per sale. Cookie life: 30 days. Pros. Web designs can be a lot of work. The free logo maker helps you take care of this quickly. You can design and create without restrictions, all while receiving free branding tools from the service. Cons. Must have at least $200 in order to be paid. Cookies expire faster than some other programs. It takes about 30 days to receive payment. Thank you for watching the video until the end. If you liked our content, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, so you don't miss the upcoming parts of this topic.